Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to turn on or off system icons on taskbar in Windows 10. So guys, if you want to turn on or off system icons on taskbar in Windows 10, so very easy. Firstly, right click. After click on this option, after click on taskbar, that is, scroll down, click on turn system icons on or off, that is. If you want to clock, turn on. If you want to off, so toggle off position, that is. And if you want to on, so toggle on position. Location, if you want to off, so toggle off. And if you want to on, so toggle on position, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.